guys, we would like to introduce you today the RADE kit for Husqvarna FE. Actually we like this bike a lot. It's nice enduro bike, and we like also RADE riding. So we try to combine both together. So we prepared a RADE kit for Husqvarna FE in a way that it respects the size of the bike, the handling of the bike, and the weight of the bike. So we use the transparent materials for the fairing, so you have impression there is nothing in front, almost nothing in front of you. Secondly, we use the carbon tower to reduce the weight, and then the full kit is just bolt on. We milled precisely the clamps on CNC machine, so it fits perfectly and ensure good stability of the fairing even in hard RADE conditions. We did several tests. We did tests on Ceres, we did tests on ElChott RADE, and finally Jan Veselý and Gabriela Novotná were riding RADE Dakar 2019 with this RADE kit, and both finished successfully. But of course we understand not everyone wants to ride a RADE, so we were also paying attention to the details that are variable for just adventure riding on single tracks, desert roads, etc. So the tower is, or the kit is equipped with a GPS bar and a GPS adapter for Garmin clamp. You have strong LED lights that are road legal. Sometimes it's convenient when you come late to have good lights with you. And then in the kit is also included automatically the adapter for the Scott's steering damper. Yes, so if you have Scott's steering damper, just bolt on and you can have good handling on gravel roads or sand roads. So we believe this is also very convenient thing. So when summarizing, we are enthusiastic about the design, underlining the bike and gives very racing look to the Husqvarna FE, and also good benefits like the wind protection, good LED lights, place for your navigation stuff. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.